And this is how I make clay buttons. Here I have a bunny shape design on paper. So I roughly cut out the shape on the clay. I'm trying to round the edges and smoothen all the areas. It's important for buttons to have rounded corners. If it's really sharp, then you might accidentally scratch yourself. Once you're happy with the shape, just pop it into the oven. To prepare the mold, roll a clay ball and sprinkle some corn flour on top of it. Take the baked bunny and push it into the clay. Make sure that it is deep enough to cover the sides. I'm using a sticky tape to pull the bunny out, and your mold is ready to be baked. And sprinkle some corn flour. Take some clay and push it in. Cut out the excess clay and make sure the back is flat. I've combined 3 toothpicks to make 2 marks for the buttonhole. This bear looks like a very mature bear, like a papa bear. It's finally out of the oven. I'm going to drill 2 holes, brush off the bits, and these little cuties are ready to be used. Thank you for watching. Hope you're having a great time, and bye!